Hey guys, so I'm about to jump on stream here in about an hour, and I was really dreading the whole having to put on my face thing. So I thought maybe Jacob could do my makeup because I don't know. I thought it would be fun. So Jacob's gonna do my makeup today. He watches me do my makeup all the time. Like he sits here and he plays Overwatch and I get ready. And so he knows what to do. So I feel like it's not gonna be too bad.
I know the steps.
He knows the steps.
Step one.
So this is my drawer. Wait, I feel
Teardrop. Step one. Sponge. Step one. Sponge.
Step one.
Sponge. Which one am I grabbing?
Okay, so you mean to kind of explain to you? I thought you
Is
knew.
it already on here? No.
So I have blemishes, right? So what do you? Stop.
Brush.
Okay.
You have blemishes. I gotta hide them.
Yeah, you gotta. This is what you hide the blemishes with.
I gotta hide your disgusting blemishes.
So this is for under eyes. You gotta.
I want to show them. Step one. Pencil.
Wait, hold on. Oh, you're gonna edit that out.
No.
Go ahead.
Okay.
It's all yours.
Looks good to me. Now take step one. I wipe.
No, why? Oh, okay. Do it. It's your makeup.
Okay. Look at that. That'll do. That'll do just fine. Done.
No, you can't just put it on the spot. Oh.
I'm gonna spray a little bit.
Is this the contour?
What? No, you don't have contour yet.
Oh, it's looking like
there.
it.
No, I'm getting there. Oh, here we go.
It's not a paintbrush, it's a sponge. What do you do with like sponges? Yeah.
You absorb water and wash the dishes
Okay.
if you're me.
Not really.
On occasion.
You can't get in my hair. You're gonna mess the hair up.
Well, I'm gonna leave. You're gonna look like Donald Trump if I don't get it all the way up to your hairline.
Yeah, but you gotta go against. Don't go against the grain.
You're very pale. Do we get color in this at any point?
You're gonna need to put like the bronzer on it.
Where's that?
It's in the drawer. That's not time yet.
Well, you're looking very smooth. I think I've accomplished most of my job.
Okay.
Well, what's wrong with this?
Nothing.
Where's the bronzer?
Ow! Those are sharp.
What are the brushes? Or
Yes.
or the shards of bronzer?
No, the brush. You're poking me with it.
Got a little bronze in your hair. Now my finger's bronze.
Just like me. Stop going against the grain.
Am I doing your makeup or are you telling me?
You're taking this brush and you're putting it in my hair and you're just swiping it.
I was on your eye, so I don't know how I was
because
supposed
you
to be
started
in your hair. I
from
don't
over
know
here
how I
and you're
was
just
supposed to be.
swiping my hair in my face. Yeah. You're not getting paid.
Right, look at the camera. Flawless. I'm serving looks. Okay. This looks like blush to me. I'm gonna call this blush.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, it doesn't go down there. It's supposed to line the cheekbone. Whew.
Snatched. If I know anything about makeup, and I do, it's looking like next we're gonna move on to the highlight. This one.
Wow, good job.
Yeah. I know because it says glow, and you're always radiant and glowing.
Oh, wow.
What brush should I use?
Your finger.
My finger?
Where does it go?
I got this cheek. Goes right up on top of the cheekbone. It rests right up there on top of the cheekbone. And I'm just gonna blend it in nicely.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Let me see that in the camera. She's looking thick. Let me see your face again. Which one was the? I need the blush brush. A nice even tone.
Red?
All right, so we highlighted. Your face seems done to me, as far as I can tell. Your face is fully confirmed, done.
Looks good.
I'm gonna put on some eyeliner now. Is that not the next step?
Whatever you meant to.
I'm gonna start drawing on your eye.
Well, don't you do the eyeshadow first? Because then once you get the
Oh!
you can do the eyeliner over it.
We're gonna grab some purple.
What kind of look are you going for?
I'm going for Smokey Eye. If there's anything I've learned from watching What Not to Wear on TLC for like 5 years of my life, the Smokey Eye, you can never go wrong with the Smokey Eye.
What is a Smokey Eye?
I'm going to do a Smokey Eye. It's really purple. It's real. Wait, it's really on your eye.
Why did you blow at me?
It's really purple. It's more.
Did you blow or laugh?
I laughed, but I also blew. Kind of a.
This is tickling me. It's gonna be chills.
You want chills? Just wait till I'm finished with this. How high do I go? Not that I need any help with this, but I go big or go home. Go big or go home.
No!
I'm just going to go all the way up to the brow.
No!
I'm going to go all the way to the brow. Well, then I'm going to blend it in. It's going to get a really nice, like, very transitional, like, gradient look. Trust me. I know
No!
Okay. Let me see that other eye of yours. Let me see those beautiful green eyes. Except close those eyes. Because I want the lid.
When I close my eyes, I get off balance. Why are you putting it so high?
I'm going to blend it. Okay, you're looking like a Skyrim character right now. That's kind of the look I was going for, so it's perfect.
Come here! Sit. Sit. Okay, now you calm.
What I'm doing now, it's a new look. It's called the Teardrop. A little bit of blue right on the corner of the eye, and what that's going to do is going to make it, it's a very dramatic look.
I'm supposed to look sad? Or?
I got to even it out. Well, you're Sundismal, so, you know. Okay.
Charlie likes to lick my tears.
That's
what he's doing.
Yeah.
Let's give him a little, oh my God, I look like you put the thing under my eyes to get rid of the circles, and then you took eyeshadow and put circles under my eye.
Look at the camera. This is kind of, I think it's working.
Can you get rid of the dark circles under my eyes?
Well, those aren't circles. What they are streaks of.
No, they look like I haven't slept.
It's eyeliner time. So is this, what I want to do is give you a nice wing. I'm going to do 3 like you're like a cartoon character, okay?
You should see your face right now.
You should see yours.
I don't want to.
Okay.
I can't see.
I'm going like really far out.
Jacob, what are you doing? Why do I feel it on my cheekbone?
Because it's very thick. Okay. I think we may have to...
It looks like a tuba.
A tuba? It went down. It went down more than I expected.
Wings are supposed to go up and make you look light.
Well, I'll get it right on the other.
Okay. They'll be cousins, not sisters.
Yeah, of course. They'll be like third cousins distantly removed. Like far, like long removed.
Yeah, that's the stuff.
That's the
stuff. Look at that.
Oh, oh my God, you look like an anime character.
This is my makeup remover.
Wing take 2?
I can't see it, but is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
All right.
Onto the brows. That's very thick. That's very thick. Don't worry though, I'm gonna come in with the eraser. Wow. I kind of nailed the fix there. I kind of got it a perfect line. That's a brow if I've ever seen one. That's a brow.
Have you ever seen one? Oh, that one's good. Why is this one so good?
What do you mean?
This one, and they don't look anything alike.
See, what I'm giving you is like a look like one's like, huh? And the other's
no,
like,
you better fix it.
This stuff?
Yes.
Dang, I'm on a roll.
I know. You're really focused.
Boom.
I think everything looks decent except for the bags that you have drawn under my eyes.
I think you're greatly overestimating the rest of everything else I've done. I feel like one of them looks like I gave you a black eye. And
that's what I'm saying. You made me look like I have a black eye when you drew that stuff underneath of it. And this eyebrow's killer. I look evil, right? Look at the camera.
You are Sundismal. Wow, I like that. All right, and mascara to finish the job.
Why would you go? Are you doing the bottom lashes?
I accidentally got that one first. I think.
Were you trying to do the top?
Yeah, I was trying to do the top.
You done?
I don't think it gets much better than that. I think I kind of nailed it.
Let's look at it up close.
Ooh.
Ah!
Wow. I nailed it. Actually, that's flawless.
Okay, are you gonna curl?
I can't do any. I've done it. I've done it. This is the Mona Lisa. This is the Sistine Chapel. This is the statue of David. This
Boobs are crooked.
is crooked boobs.
They call me crooked boobs. Oh wait, let me put my hair down and act like I'm just like wearing my makeup out and my hair done.
You're hitting the town. You've done your makeup. You did this to yourself. Let's pretend for a second.
Look at this. Look at this.
Look at the.
Wait, do you actually see that? That's not bad. That's like contour.
What can I say?
That's what do you say? It's contour?
That's a contour.
No, it's contour, but you used to say couture.
Oh, that's couture. What that? I didn't realize what you were saying. That's couture.
All right, well that's fun.
Do you have anything left to say to your fans?
No, that about sums it up. Except, please tell him that this new freaking look is not a look.
Please tell her that the look speaks for itself.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go stream now, and I feel like I'm not even gonna be embarrassed to do it.
Are you saying that, or are you just trying to have me?
No, I feel like it's not bad. I feel like it's just a dramatic look.
I was going for drama. If there's one thing I wanted, it was drama. Just like in our relationship.
You're not wrong.
All right, guys, subscribe to this channel, Sundismal at YouTube.
You don't have to.
On YouTube. No, don't listen to her. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Twitch. That's twitch.tv/Sundismal. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram.
But if you don't want to, you don't have to.
Instagram.com or in the Instagram app, it's going to be Sundismal. Every single one of our links is Sundismal. I guess I'll make that really easy for you. Sundismal, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram. Follow us. We'll see you in the next video.